What's up, guys? We're on the beautiful Econ River this morning, and we're gonna see what we can get on. It's all flooded out. We've been getting a lot of rain, which is a good thing. So we're gonna see if these fish are fired up, like I'm fired up. Ooh, all right, guys. First bait out. Fresh red breast head on the bigger rod. Looking for a big one. We're looking for a big one. PB breaker. We just hand lined a nice sized bluegill from iBlue. So that's pretty awesome. There we go. And if we do this right, we can still have the worm on and get another one. So we're gonna go ahead and close it. Live baiting. I think these bluegill people. Something was eating on it. Sure. We're gonna put this bluegill. Here you go, guys. Put this live bluegill on. Bluegill's going crazy, I don't know, but we got some night crawlers, guys. Got something picked up the bluegill. I mean, something picked up the worm instantly. We got something good. It's a good fish. It's a decent fish. I mean, it's fighting good, guys. I don't know what this is, but it's fighting good. What is it? It's a cat. What do you like, kid? Come up on it. Oh, got him out, got him out. First fish of the day, guys. A little white bullhead. Sweet. I knew there was some catfish activity going on out there. Little white bullhead. That's a nice skunk beater. He got a bunch of my worm in there. Give me that worm back. You don't need that. Alright, guys. Nice little white bullhead, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. You see how he doesn't have the forked tail? He's not a channel. He kind of looks like a channel, but he's not. His tail is not forked. So just a nice little skunk beater, like I said. I got somebody took my live bait. I'm gonna have to throw it back. Took the live bait. Somebody took the live bait. Took the big. Sorry, I had to do that. Somebody took the live bait. Oh yeah. Let them eat it a little bit. Here's some monster moving around. I told you to learn the fish. It ate the whole movie. Wow, this is gonna be a big fish again. They ate that whole bluegill like that. It's gonna be a good fish. They thought it was on my better rod with 50-pound weight. Because if it wasn't, we'd be running it a little bit. is gonna be a beast on the live bait. Bait's just taking line. I'm about to try to set the hook in a minute. Seems like he got it good. Bait's just taking line, guys. Taking line. We're gonna try to hook it up in a minute. Yeah, so he's giving it. The next time he runs, we're gonna hook it. He's taking line. I just can't. I don't want to lose this fish. We're gonna have to lock it for the rest of it. Hopefully it's a big bar. Oh, I think we pulled it. We pulled it, I think. Yes, guys, beautiful gar he did stick on. He didn't get much of a fight coming in, but a beautiful, beautiful long-nosed gar. He ate that bluegill. He ate that bluegill, guys. Another species. This is the long-nosed gar. He completely devoured that bluegill. Look at that. Makes me want to catch some more. I'm probably just gonna use it, get another live bait. Beautiful, beautiful long-nosed gar. That's a beautiful fish, bro. Look at those patterns. Guys, that was all over the place. I had to do a catfishing, release that gar, catch that gar too. So, man, that was pretty awesome. We're gonna try to see if we can catch another little bluegill because they're loving the cut bait. I guess the live bait's what's going on. Be right back. All right, guys, we got some guts on this. We're gonna throw this out and we're gonna try to catch another bluegill, a small one to throw for live. Good one, a good one. Another good one for live bait, baby. Another one for live bait, guys. Here we go, guys. Another nice bluegill. Gonna put it as cut bait, live bait right here. Alright, here we go, guys. Oh, over here, guys. Another gar, guys. Gar fest. On the bottom this time. Smaller guy, guys, but there you go. Another beautiful gar. This was on the bottom, right in the corner of the mouth. That's hard to do with these guys, man. And that is a beautiful hook set. Look at the colors on that long-nosed gar, bro. Beautiful, beautiful patterns. Beautiful, beautiful fish, man. Wow. About to let another gar go underwater for these guys. Take this one right now. Use the live bait on that one, but I think they just cooked it. I'll definitely take one if you don't mind. Yeah. didn't switch. They didn't switch. Crazy. Gotta go get to it. Yeah. Dude, they took a big live bluegill just now. They're running with it. Hopefully it's a giant one. I caught two already. I caught one catfish and two gar already. Let's see this guy's on, guys. This guy's big, big bluegill, bigger than the last one. Yep, they're still eating. Yeah, they're running hard. They might have noticed that they're running. Go on. It's a good fish. It's a good fish. It's a long nose. It's a big long nose. He ate the whole bluegill. Oh, he's a giant. He's a freaking giant. Don't get off. Don't get off. Oh, shit. I don't want to leave this fish for nothing. Big, that's my PB, I think. God, he hit a giant bluegill. I mean, it was a good bluegill. You got a fiber? Yeah. I just need some pictures. If one of you guys can help me out.
I have not seen anything that big around here.
Yeah, they're bigger than this. This is a baby.
What is that? What is it?
A long nose gar.
I know it's a fish, but
a long nose gar.
Gar?
Yeah.
Long nose. Yeah, well, man, that'll hurt. Put your eye out if you don't watch it.
Yeah. I've dealt with so many, man.
Get him out. If you don't let him go back in the water now.
Huh?
I said, don't let him get back in the water.
I gotta at least get a shot of him.
Oh, he's got the camera.
Man, live bait today's been on fire. Yeah. And my battery almost just died on my GoPro. Thank God it stayed on. Beautiful gar for the release. That was a beautiful gar. Wow. That might be, I think that's my PB. Not the length of it, but the girth of it is definitely bigger. 7, I gotta check that, but I think that might be my new PB. Alright guys, it was a great day out here. We had a blast. We caught catfish, we caught 3 gar, and I think we caught a PB long nose. So we're gonna go make sure we check out the weight and length of the last one I caught that was my PB. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till the next episode, guys. Peace.